Hello, my name is Tom. I'd like to show you how to find the correct install files of IBM Planning Analytics product for your platform. There are two different places you can download install files. Passport Advantage is where you can go and download the base version of the product. Fix Central is where IBM normally publishes fix specs, and specifically for Planning Analytics, short cadence release version. IBM releases new version of Planning Analytics Workspace and Planning Analytics for Microsoft Excel every 4 to 6 weeks, so you would find it easier to search them in Fix Central. So let's explore Fix Central. Search for Fix Central in IBM.com or you can Google it. Once you get to this page, in the product selector you can type IBM Planning Analytics Local. Select the latest version and leave the platform to all and click OK. And I'm going to browse for fixes. Once you click OK and select fixes page, first thing you want to do is to change the download option. I find it mostly easier with HTTPS version to download a single file. So I'm going to select that and continue. First, let's have a look at the Planning Analytics. As of today, the latest version is 2.09. And this install file includes TM on server and TM on client install files. Let me click the link. It will take you to Order Fixes page. Once you get to that, it will show a bunch of files. So there are two most popular files. The one says the Win64 is obviously for Windows 64-bit platform. And the one above that says Linux is obviously for Linux platform. Let me go back. And let's have a look at the Planning Analytics Workspace. As of this recording date, the latest version of the workspace is 2.0.49. And click the link to find out what files are available for each platform. So Workspace is supported on the Windows platform and Linux platform. The one that says the Win is obviously for Windows platform. And the second file with the word local, that is the file you need to download for Linux platform. But keep in mind that this file is for single server install on the Linux platform. The third file where it says local dist is for Linux platform as well. However, this is for distributed installation where you require 3 or more Linux servers to install. Okay, so that is it for Workspace. Let me go back and have a look at the Planning Analytics for Microsoft Excel. As of today, for the recording, the latest version is 2.0.51. And let me click the link. And obviously, the Planning Analytics for Microsoft Excel is only supported on Windows platform. So there are only two install files. The one says WinX64, and that is for Microsoft Excel 64-bit version. And obviously Win32 is for 32-bit version of the Excel. And that's about it. I hope this was helpful for you to find the correct install file for your Planning Analytics. Thank you for watching.